Hey, it's Kaya again. Okay, now you're ready to start using your bee products. Let's dive into learning how to amplify and alchemize your own energy, your own vibe. Remember, bee is for everyone, and it's about shifting ourselves in order to change the world. We want everyone to join this high vibe tribe. Today I've chosen to work with Be Embodied. It is one of the two mists that are next to my sun sign on the bee wheel. I've chosen Embodied because I'm working to amplify the vibe of my energy field with faith in my purpose, and I want to alchemize or transform any insecurity or protectiveness and to support my immune system. Embodied was specifically formulated and energized with all the wild and magical ingredients to help me with this. Every bee product has a different purpose and power, so here's how I use Embodied in my own devotional practice. I start by lighting my candle and offering my gratitude and prayer. Then I spray the Be Embodied mist and inhale it deeply, allowing its frequency to uplift me. Next, I open myself to receiving the amplification and alchemization that I've prayed for. After that, I will sit in contemplation and meditate, listening for soul guidance for my day. When I'm done, I will spray the mist again, intaking it deeply, and give my gratitude. Then journal the soul guidance I've received, as it helps me remember and stay aware of all the changes I'm noticing. I repeat this practice in the evening before I go to sleep. I also keep a mist in my purse in case I need a quick vibe shift during my day. This is just one way to use bee products. You can use them in tandem with your yoga or your meditation practice, studying with your spiritual books or school homework, working on your art or music, before a walk, or during a soul tribe group practice. The possibilities are endless. I'd love to hear how you use your products. Feel free to reach out on the contact page or on social media. And remember to download your Be Wild Soul Kit, filled with pages of tools and great ideas. Be loved, be loving, and stay wild, Moonchild. Join our high vibe tribe and let the journey begin.